Good day, everyone. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you're watching from. So, today's video, we'll just go straight to the point. Today's video about getting started with your blog. In this video, we'll be buying a domain and a hosting, okay? And I recommend buying a domain and a hosting from Namecheap. We have a platform called namecheap.com. Namecheap.com. They have affordable services, okay? I'll show you how to buy a domain and a hosting. So if you are just watching this video for the very first time and you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, go over to the YouTube channel that will link somewhere in this video. Subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you'll be the first to get our videos when they drop. I'll be dropping more videos tonight. There are lots of videos I have in this channel, but they are currently as private videos, okay? So I'll be rolling out some as we progresses. So buying a domain, and if you are watching this video from YouTube and you are yet to join our niche blogging group on Facebook, head over and join this niche blogging group. It will help you. We drop polls, we answer questions, we just help one another to be profitable at blogging. Okay, so buying a domain name, from the last video we talked about choosing a domain name. So head over to try and buy a domain name. Now that you have your choice of domain and you have done all the verification from name checker, what you do next is visit Namecheap and search the domain name. When you visit Namecheap, you scroll down, you can see this place. You search the domain that you have checked and it is available. So we checked nichebloggingnigeria.com and it is available from name checker. That is to say, it would be available here. Okay, yes, it is available. Okay, but we'll not be buying this domain directly like this. We'll start from the hosting, so that we'll merge this hosting with our domain to make it quick and easy. So you head over to hosting, you click on shared hosting. You can still do this on your mobile phone, works same way. Then you can clearly see the data center is US and it is billed 1.88 per month. That's if you have to pay for this domain per year. But we'll be choosing monthly to pay monthly, which will raise the price a little higher. Don't worry, it's something you can keep up. Okay, the reason why you shouldn't pay yearly is because something can happen along the line and you want to move to a different hosting and others. So but you can start monthly and see how it goes. Then note, please, while watching this video, don't go and buy a domain now or buy a hosting now, because before we get into middle of the video, it will take like some days. Okay, it's good you already follow the videos to some extent and you already know where you should kickstart. Let's say when we have started the traffic strategies, okay, you can now, after we are through the traffic strategies, you can now go and buy a domain. That is for those who are new to blogging, because if you buy now, one or two reasons we don't get to traffic strategies as fast as possible, you find that you'll be paying monthly subscription for hosting when you haven't actually started doing anything. But if you think you can cover the cost, it is not costly. It's about a domain and a hosting will not cost you more than 7,500 naira, and renewal for this hosting is less than how much? Let's say 3.88 times 580. It's less than 2,250. That's less than 3,000. If it's something you believe you can pay, fair. If you are working with a group of friends, you can also go for this plan. In this plan, it gives you 20 gig, okay, and you can connect 3 websites to it. So if you are working with a group of friends, you guys can join hands together and get a domain, or you instead go for this that gives you access to unlimited websites. you add them as add-on domain. We'll get there in the future. So what you do now, you change here to monthly and you click get started. When you click get started, it takes you here. So I'm trying to make it as quick as and easy for you. You want to connect this hosting to a new domain name. So none in the cart, so it is a new purchase. You come here, this is where you now search the domain name, niche blogging Nigeria.com. So it searches it, tells you the price. Okay, scroll down, you click connect to hosting. It's now connected. Now your entire fee today is this. Okay, we can still apply discount to further reduce the price. We'll get there. I'll show you how to do it. You click on add to cart. You see what popped up at the top here? It's what we call honey, HONEY. Honey. If you are using a desktop, your laptop, you can search honey Chrome extension. Install this extension, register and log in. It lets you apply discount code while checking out. Note, this total price is $13. Let's try and apply discount code with honey. Let's see what happens. So I'm trying to apply discount code. It will by itself automatically go through various discount code and choose the one that might likely work. In an event where none worked, don't worry, pay the price. Honey will still give you some units. They call it units. That's if you are logged in, and you can get this unit as form of credit card or as form of user units inside the honey platform. Okay, I'm not sure any would work. Okay, it worked. You can see it removed $1.37 from my checkout. Okay, and instead of 13.04, I'm now paying 11.67 times 580. That's about less than 6,700 naira. Okay, since it has applied. For you out there who want to use this coupon code, this is the coupon code, coupon FCNC. Okay, it has been added. What you do is to close honey, then you scroll to the bottom and click confirm order. Immediately you confirm order, it takes you to the next page where you can continue with your payments. So after you are done paying, Namecheap will send you an email, couple of emails actually, emails of invoice that you have purchased something, and most importantly, they will send you an email with your cPanel logins. Yes, they'll send you an email with your cPanel login. It is from that cPanel that we'll be we'll be installing WordPress in the next video. I'll show you how to install WordPress the easiest way and how to truly get started. Catch you in the next.